Hey guys, Regina from Eat Travel Life, and I wanted to give you an update on what's going on with winter sowing. I think we're in week 3 or 4, and we've had some excitement here on our farm. And let me just go ahead and show you what's going on with the jugs themselves, and tell you a little story that happened. So our jugs have they were covered in snow a week ago, and it's up to 50 degrees here right now. I have just inspected all the jugs. There is nothing growing in any of them, and that's okay. We're expecting snow and some rain here in Michigan, so there's nothing. But my husband told me that my San Marzano jug was taken. It was stolen by varmints or something. Can you see all these little teeth marks on here? There are teeth marks all the way around this, and you can see it's kind of misshapen now. They took it and tipped it up on its side, so who knows if anything will grow. And that was taken over to an old shed by our house. The jug was moved over here, way from where they were sitting. Something wanted the jug. So we are going to continue to let them do their thing. One thing you might want to consider is daisy chaining them all together with a rope so that nobody takes them away. And consider if you have critters, because in looking here now, we've got a hole where there might be critters going in and out. We have a lot of raccoon in this area too, so another option would be, because I've got them next to this fence, I guess I could tie a string to all of them through the loops there of the jugs so that they wouldn't get taken away. It never did get opened either, so that's good. Thank you, duct tape. And we'll continue to monitor the progress, but so far no green. It's the first week of March, so that's okay. So happy sowing. Let me know what you guys are doing.